Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. The feedback I'm getting is unbelievable. God bless you. In this video, I got some information about the topographical test. So I will explain you how to pass the topographical test. What is topographical test? How many marks you need? So please watch this video till to the end. If you are new to uh, for applying for the PCO license and you need to get information for the topographical test, because you asked this question many times, so it's difficult to answer everybody on the call. So that's why I make these kind of videos. So to pass the topographical test, you need to get 60 marks. So the total is 100 marks. So I'm going to give you the breakdown now. So the 4 question you will get the route when you start the exam. The 4 question is going to be the route planning, which is like this, if you can see on the screen. So you start from the green, finish on red always. So you will get 4 question, and this will give you 75 marks. One question is 15, other 3 is 20, so which make 75. So it does not matter if you're getting 20 in route planning, and but you have to get 60 marks. So this 75 is the means most marks in the route planning. So if you get 60 in route planning, and if you get 0 on other, does not matter, you're gonna be okay, you're gonna pass. Hope so you understand, because a lot of people ask me this question. And if you not gonna do the correct route, but you're doing little bit here and there, you're not gonna get 0 marks, but you will get some marks. But if you do some like a serious mistake going into the one way, not crossing the tunnel accordingly, then you can get 0 marks as well. So this is the route planning. So we got the email. I just wrote many emails, so it's difficult to contact with the TFL nowadays. They have a cyber attack, but I just got response from the TFL about how to pass this test, which is great, because I was worried about some questions, some conceptual questions. I got it from the TFL that how to pass this test. I'm going to share that email with you as well. So 75 marks, 17 question come from this book. You need this book. This is a book as well. This is an old book. We're not using this anymore. You have to get this book, if you can see on this screen over here. This is 15 pound 18. If you can find on eBay this same book, maybe it's cheaper as well. So 17 marks from that book. And the other question, 8 marks, is called compass direction question. Compass direction question is look like this. 2 questions going to be like this. 2 question is going to be, there is going to be the place, there's a road, you have to just choose the answer. The answer is going to be there, you have to choose it. So this is 8 marks. Hope so you understand. Now the concept of the topographical test, a lot of people, they've been doing cab in different cities. When they do this test, they fail. The reason why I'm going to tell you now. So I'm going to show you that email which I received from the TFL, that the PHV topographical assessment is designed to test all aspects of an applicant map reading skills. Unlike the knowledge of London, means you don't need to know the knowledge of London, like for the black cab. To do this map, you no need to know the knowledge of London. Means like some way it's going to be one way, but there will be no sign. Some maybe there's no turning in the Google map, but we can't see here because this map is different. So the TFL say you're not going to follow that Google map, you're not going to know the knowledge of London. You just need to learn these concept of the map, which they explain, which I explained in many videos as well. Just you need to learn that one. So we're going to find out what else they are saying it. So they are saying we do have a pool of routes that we use for the assessment, which are changed periodically. Means they change, but they're not changing it. I have 100 questions, these questions coming again and again in the exam. If you do that, you can pass easily. So they are saying that applicant ability to plan a route and read a map. So just you start from the green, finish on red, and you have to plan a route accordingly by TFL. So they are saying to how to do this test. Let's find it on their website. So they just tell you about this information which you can find on the website. If you write topographical test, then go to TFL website, you will see this PDF paper. So they are saying that the topographical assessment guidelines provided more detail. I'm not going to read all, but just main point. The assessment will test all the aspects of map reading skills. Means using index to identify points, means you have to use the book, which give you 17 marks. Using a map to identify directions and points location, same book. To plan a route between two locations, yeah. So you have to plan the route. This is the route planning. To demonstrate the knowledge of compass points, this is the compass detection question. So index example question they are giving you here. But I'm going to tell you about the planning a route. This is 75 marks. So the planning a route, they're saying the section will assess your ability to plan a route between two locations. Sorry. Yeah, here. So what is their marking criteria to mark the route planning questions? So questions asking you to plot the most direct route from a start point to a end point carrying the most marks. So means we're gonna get the most direct route. I'm gonna explain you a little bit about this one, most direct route. um, so otherwise they're saying not following the most direct route, where you're gonna lose some marks. Not correctly addressing map symbols, e.g. if you're going into the one-way system roundabouts, you have to go around the roundabout. Not arriving at the end location, you must finish at the bottom of red. If you finish in the middle, you're not going to get marks, you will get 0 marks. Yeah, so that's it. So now I'm going to speak about the most direct route. What is most direct route? Let's do some practical over here. So this is a question. I mean, you start from the green and finish on red. If you find the meaning of direct in dictionaries, it will tell you that straight line. Means we have to get the straight line. Okay, let me give you the example how the TFL want you to do the test. I was going from one place, like Battersea to Croydon. So when I do this route, put this route on the Google map, so it was showing me like this. So now the Google map is using this data as well to do the most direct route to save you time, fuel, lot of things as well. Look, one route is this one. This is called the most direct route. Look, it's give you straight line between green to red, but there's one other route as well. If you see, look, the one route is showing this one over here as well. So if you do like this may be main road. A lot of people, they just follow the main road and they do not know about this straight line, so then you lose too many marks. And there could be the many road to use this one, maybe from here, maybe it's a park as well. They're not showing you, there will be many routes, but we have to get the most direct route. Hope so you understand my concept. Let's do one example here. So this is from green to red. If we first, we need to do the planning. So a lot of people, they how to do this test, they just go from here. I'm going to draw roughly. They just go from here, they come like this, and they just do like this. This is one road. A lot of other people, they do a different way, might do different way as well. Maybe they go from here, they do like this, but this is not giving us the most direct route, because this making belly, I use the word belly, the TFL don't like belly. So our route should be, and there is a way as well, from here like this, it should be around this line. Hope so you understand. So this is the most direct route, giving you straight line between 2 points. In some cases maybe you cannot get it because of the river, tunnels, park, but it's going to be fine. But try your best to stay around this line. Try to make the planning, do practice. So this is the concept to pass the topographical test from the TFL. Hope so you understand. Thank you so much for listening to me. God bless you. And if you have any question, if you need a training, please contact with me. We provide training in center online as well. Thank you so much.